The further journey is to recognize that there are no actions happening. Jagat Mithya. Yeah, this is only step number 1. Chapter number 1, no? What do you expect Ashtavakra is going to teach you here? He's just going to show you first, so you see that actions happen automatically. I'm not doing. Later on, he'll go to tell you, there are no actions happening. There is no world. Yeah, but you can get there only if you become very solid in your foundation in chapter 1. Very solid in your practice of jnana, of swapna nidra jnana sadhana. Yeah, so start practicing. We will get there. This is the ego that wants to say, okay, I get this very quickly. Come on, quickly. No, there is no quickly. You have fooled yourself for 30, 40, 50, 60 years of your life. Now you have to unlearn all that foolery, self-foolery. It takes a lot. It's a toll on the ego. Why do you think the spiritual path is not easy? Ego does not like it really. Ego says, let's go for a movie. Saturday, wow, what fun. Nice show, 3 hours. We'll have fun, we'll have popcorn. What is spirituality? Ego wants to get out of this. Ego does not like this. That is the only bondage. Wake up. Wake up and see that this question also came from the ego because it wants quickly. Have I got it? If I get it, that there is no doer, is it done? No, it's not done yet. This is just step 1. Only step 1. Keep chugging. Ashtavakra will take you there. Bound to. Nowhere else to go. One-way street.